Hey, it's Randy from Happy Maple Nursery, coming at you again. Today we're going to repot this really young Japanese black pine that I grew from seed. It's in some pretty bad medium, holds too much moisture, so they get a little unhappy. And we're just going to swap it out. So hopefully we have lots of roots. I don't know what to expect. Let's take a look. So we got some growing tips here. That's a good sign. Let's see what we can do. Maybe if we twist this up really low. We got a single branch, potential branch here. Grow this guy up tall, and hopefully get some good growth on this guy. Anyway, here's our old mix. We're going to cut this with some perlite and some. We're going to cut it with a whole bunch of perlite and some pine bark, composted pine bark. That's it. Dainty little Japanese black pine. We're gonna have a bunch more of these we'll be messing around with this year. Because we are getting some bare roots in, so super excited about that. And that's all for now. Take care.